Magandang araw! Ako si Jake mula sa DOST CALABARZON Food Safety Team.
And we've been conducting food safety trainings as part of our assistance to MSMEs.
And on this segment, we will be doing another activity that we usually do to our food safety trainings.
So for this one, ang tanong ko sa ating participants, paano ba natin na-assure na effective ang ating cleaning and sanitation methods?
Usually, ang sagot lang natin is through visual inspection or sa pagtingin lang. At minsan, ginagamit din natin ang ating senses or ang ating sense of smell.
Pero alam natin na hindi siya ganun ka-epektibo dahil nagkaroon niya tayo ng activity on microorganisms.
Dito, nalaman natin na ang microorganisms, they cannot be seen by the naked eye. Kailangan pa natin gumamit ng microscope para makita sila.
With the use and advent of technologies, nakadevelop tayo ng method para ma-measure sila. So for this part,
we will be using a device specifically developed para matest yung effectivity ng ating cleaning methods.
Usually, itong ganitong type ng equipment or instrument,
ginagamit siya on large-scale factories or even hotels. They use this in their HACCP plan, as part of their HACCP plan.
So for today, we will be using this device. It is a luminometer.
And we will be using the AccuPoint. We will be using the AccuPoint Advanced by Neurogen Corporation. So before we use this, I'm gonna play a short clip about the product. So at least familiar naman tayo kung ano ba ito. Familiar naman tayo kung paano siya gamitin.
Neogen's AccuPoint Advanced system takes your sanitation monitoring program to a new level of clean. ATP is an energy currency molecule found in all living cells, including bacteria, yeasts and molds, and product residue. When ATP reacts with the luciferin and enzyme luciferase in an AccuPoint sampler, it produces light that is measured by the system's reader. The AccuPoint Advanced system helps personnel quickly verify that surfaces are truly clean by providing ATP detection results in less than 20 seconds. The AccuPoint Advanced system features third-party validated best-in-class samplers to more consistently collect ATP left behind after sanitation efforts, a compact instrument to detect any residues collected by the samplers, and updated data manager software to better organize and analyze the system's test results. ATP is not uniformly distributed on surfaces after cleaning, so it's essential to use a system that can both recover and detect ATP from surfaces and rinse water samples. As key decisions are made based on testing results, using a system that accurately measures ATP levels is critically important. AccuPoint Advanced is the best system available for recovering ATP. AccuPoint Advanced results are reported as relative light units, or RLU, and its unique RLU scale allows for higher resolution across a broad range. Using the system's data manager software to review results can help detect slight changes in ATP levels. Sanitation monitoring is even easier when using the AccuPoint Advanced system with optional radio frequency identification, or RFID, technology. Coupled with AccuPoint's enhanced data manager software, the system saves facilities resources that otherwise would be devoted to developing complex and time-consuming test plans. With AccuPoint Advanced and its software, it's easy to create a sanitation plan and sync it to the reader. Once synced, swiping the reader over an RFID tag automatically populates the test site information. The AccuPoint Advanced system, with improved sampler chemistry, faster results, and powerful software, is the best system to recover, detect, and track ATP levels. Neogen's AccuPoint Advanced system. Take your sanitation monitoring program to a new level of clean. For more information, contact your Neogen representative or visit neogen.com.
Ngayon na alam na natin kung paano siya nag-work or anong methods ang ginagawa niya, paano niya kinakount yung mga microorganisms na present sa isang surface o sa water. Ngayon, subukan naman natin gamitin ang ating device. So, kung napansin niyo doon sa video, merong tatlong type or tatlong color yung tips. So, ginawa ito para madali siyang i-differentiate. So, itong dark colored one, dark blue colored one, ito ay ginagamit para matest yung effectivity ng cleaning methods on our surfaces. Ito namang light blue, ginagamit naman to para sa quick testing ng ating tubig. Ito namang purple one, this is for access. dun sa areas na medyo mahirap nating i-reach or hindi na-reach ng ating mga cleaning methods. At kung napansin nyo dun sa video, it only takes 20 seconds para makita ko ano agad ang resulta. So ngayon, gamitin na natin yung device. So again, the blue one, the dark blue one, this is used for surfaces or food contact surfaces. Para makita natin, effective ba yung ating paglilinis. Hindi lang basta pag-amoy or pagtingin sa ating mga surfaces. For example, ang ating lutuan, chopping board. And next one, we have this light blue one. This one is used to quickly test kung acceptable ba yung presence of microorganisms sa ating tubig. So ngayon, test natin yung flowing water doon sa ating faucet, sa ating kitchen area dito sa ating cleaning room. And last one, yung ating purple one, ito ay ginagamit sa mga areas na hindi masyadong nare-reach kapag naglilinis tayo. So tingnan natin kung effective ba yung ating cleaning method. Ngayon, gamitin natin yung device. So, yung device naman, madali lang siyang i-turn on. So, buhayin lang natin siya. It takes quite a while para mag-load. Mga less than a minute or so naman. So, ngayon, una nating i-test ay ang ating chopping board. We will be using the dark blue swab or tip. So, this is very easy. So, we have our sample, our chopping board. What we are gonna do is we are just gonna pluck this, and as you can see, meron siyang cotton swab, and then you will just make a pattern sa pag-swab, and then we are gonna put it back, and then we are going to press it. Fully, we are gonna press it. Dapat fully submerged siya dun sa liquid present in the swab. And then we are gonna shake this for about 10 seconds lang. Ngayon, shinake natin siya for 30 seconds. Open lang natin siya, so we're just gonna press this part. Very easy. Medyo. And then, meron parang chute that you can put our swab. Just gonna put it here and then lock it. We're just gonna wait for about less than 30 seconds. It's easy. So, ngayon, lalabas yung result dito. Okay, so we have tested yung sa chopping board. So, ito yung result niya. Okay. So, as you can see, green siya and it's a check mark. This means na pumasa siya sa range on surfaces. Ibig sabihin, malinis ang ating chopping board. This is understandable because hindi ganoon kadaling dumikit ang bacteria sa plastic compare kung gumagamit tayo ng wooden chopping boards. So our chopping board actually passed the AccuPoint Advanced. So medyo sure tayo na malinis pala siya. Next natin gamitin is the lighter blue one, which is used for quick testing or rapid testing kung malinis ba yung tubig. So, gamitin natin to for testing yung running water sa faucet sa kitchen area. Katulad lang na ginawa natin kanina, we're just gonna remove our tip or yung pinaka-swab part. And then, syempre, hayaan lang muna natin mag-flow yung ating tubig. And then, habang nagpo-flow siya, i-dip lang natin yung ating tip doon sa tubig. Pagkatapos, ipasok lang natin ulit siya, yung ating swab sa tip, and then we have to press it until makapasok siya doon sa loob. And then, same method lang, we just have to shake it for around 10 seconds. So, dapat may magnifying glass that you can see. Ayan. So, based on the result, pumasa siya sa water quality. So, ibig sabihin, malinis naman yung ginagamit nating tubig dito sa ating cleaning area. So, again, this device, ginagamit siya usually sa mga malalaking companies and even hotels. Ngayon, dumako naman tayo on the last type of tip, yung ating purple one, which is ginagamit dun sa areas na hindi masyadong nadadaanan, wala masyadong access, kaya hindi rin siya masyadong nalilinisan. So for this one, pinili ko yung windowsill because hindi talaga siya masyadong nililinisan. So tingnan natin on that part kung papasa ba siya dun sa range ng ating device.
So, same method lang tayo. So, we're gonna see if papasabay yung range ng ating windowsill. So, despite being dirty, kasi medyo maalikabok talaga yung device, pumasa siya on our device. So, this means na wala namang present na microorganism dito, although it is dirty. So, dapat pa rin natin tong linisin.
Ngayon, natapos natin ang ating activity on ensuring or measuring the effectivity of cleaning our food contact surfaces, our water sa ating processing area, and even the areas na hindi natin masyadong nare-reach sa ating paglilinis. At again, ang device na ito, ginagamit siya to ensure lang para ma-measure natin na effective ang ating cleaning methods. Ngayon, tapos tayo sa ating activity, tuloy naman tayo sa ating discussion. Again, maraming salamat at mag-ingat po tayo.